Clean tools and buckets immediately after tiling a bathroom floor to prevent thinset and grout from hardening and ruining them. When you finish a section, scoop excess thinset or grout back into the mixing container if it is still workable, or into a waste bucket lined with a plastic bag to avoid clogging drains. Fill the main tool bucket with warm water and agitate with a trowel or mixing paddle to loosen residue, changing the water as needed until it runs clear. Use a stiff nylon brush on notched trowels, grout floats, and mixing paddles to remove paste from notches and edges. Metal brushes can score tool faces, so avoid them. For grout haze on tile edges or metal profiles, dampen a sponge and wipe in a circular motion, then rinse the sponge frequently to prevent smearing. If thinset or epoxy has started to set but not fully hardened, apply a manufacturer-recommended remover or a mixture of warm water and white vinegar for cement-based mortars. Let it soften briefly, then scrub. Always test on a small area first. Allow cleaned tools to air dry fully on racks or hang them to prevent rust and bacterial growth, and store buckets nested to retain shape and avoid warping. Common mistakes include letting thinset or grout harden on tools, which makes removal nearly impossible and shortens tool life. Prevent that by rinsing and scrubbing within minutes of use. Another mistake is rinsing residue down household drains where it can harden and cause blockages. Always capture slurry in a bucket and dispose of solids in the trash, or by following local waste rules. A third issue is using metal scouring pads or wire brushes that scratch stainless buckets and trowel faces, making future cleanings harder. Use nylon brushes and plastic scrapers instead to protect surfaces and maintain performance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for bathroom tiling and other remodels, and we provide a community discussion area where people share first-hand tips and troubleshooting on cleaning and tool care. We help contractors find work by listing service opportunities and offering a place to engage with potential clients and peers.